Here are the top 5 travel destinations you need to know. Number 5 is Paris, France. The city of love is hands down the most beautiful city in the world. From the Eiffel Tower to the Louvre Museum to the Champ de Mars, there's something for everyone. And don't forget to pick up a sweet treat at Ladurée. Number 4 is Kyoto, Japan. This is the perfect destination for those who want to experience Japanese culture. Visit the Fushimi Inari Shrine, the Golden Pavilion, and the Bamboo Grove. And don't forget to try the matcha. Number 3 is Santorini, Greece. This is the ultimate summer vacation spot. The white houses and blue roofs will have you feeling like you're in paradise. Don't forget to watch the sunset over the Aegean Sea. Number 2 is Venice, Italy. Get lost in the canals and bridges of this historic city. Visit St. Mark's Square, the Doge's Palace, and the Rialto Bridge. And don't forget to ride the Vaporetto. Number 1 is Cape Town, South Africa. This is the most breathtaking city in the world. From the iconic Table Mountain to the vibrant Bo Kaap neighborhood to the beautiful beaches, you won't want to leave.